Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you this cupcakes, a taste of Snickers. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and share my videos to grow my channel. Thank you so much for that. So I'm gonna need 250 grams of soft butter with 250 grams with sugar. This is the butter I use. I bought it from Tesco's. So a pinch of salt, of course. I'm gonna beat them up for a while, like a few minutes, and then I'm gonna add this peanut butter. I'm gonna use 3 big spoons of peanut butter. I'm gonna use the peanut butter on the cupcakes and on the buttercream as well. So just gonna whisk it together until it's smooth. Then I'm gonna add 4 eggs. So this amount made me 24 cupcakes. If you want just 12, just do the half of the quantity. Just whisk it again for a few minutes. So just gonna keep mixing it together. Now I'm gonna add 250 grams of flour, a quarter of teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and a teaspoon of baking powder. And 3 tablespoons of milk. So straight away I'm gonna put them on my cupcake cases and put them in the oven for 180 for 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and brown. And just leave it to cool down after it's cooked, of course, and before you add the buttercream. For the buttercream, I have 250 grams of butter, soft butter. I'm gonna beat it for 5 to 8 minutes until it's all creamy. Then I'm gonna add the rest of the peanut butter to it. You can add how much you want, depending on the taste you want. So I added the rest what I had left on the jar. And just beat it again for a few minutes before we add the icing sugar. So I have 200 grams of icing sugar. Just gonna mix it together before I open the machine so it doesn't go everywhere. So there you have it, the peanut butter buttercream. I don't usually like peanut butter, but this is like tastes really nice. So for the filling, I have here unsalted peanuts, roasted. I bought them from Waitrose, so I cut them to small pieces and I added some caramel to it, and that's what I'm gonna put inside the cupcakes. So I have my cupcakes here. I am using this tool. I bought it from Shane, I think. It's a cupcake filling tool. So it makes it easy to put your filling. I'm just gonna take a little bit on a spoon and put it in the middle. And that's it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the buttercream on top of each cupcake. And also I'm gonna put a little bit of the peanuts, toasted peanuts, on top of the cream with a little bit of caramel. Just drizzle of the caramel. That's it, there you have it, Snicker taste cupcakes. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you again soon in my other videos. There we go, the filling. Thank you for watching. Bye.